Hey my loves. So lately I've been in a season where I'm being harder on myself, but not in a way that tears me down, not in a way that makes me feel small or unworthy, but in a way that holds me accountable to the version of me I say I want to become. I just left the gym, so I'm out of breath, I'm hot, but I just had to get this off my chest because truth is, I've set some goals, I've declared some intentions, and now I'm being called to rise to them. Or I set some goals and then I'll start and never finish. I'll be consistent for like a few months and then I'll stop. This isn't a season of softness with my excuses. It's a season of discipline, of follow through, of showing up even when it's uncomfortable. It's easy to give ourselves grace, and yes, grace is so needed, but there's also a kind of love that says, I see more in you and I'm not letting you settle here. Period. I'm choosing to show up for the goals I said I wanted. The morning routines, the boundaries, the consistency, the habits that build the life I keep praying for. That's on my vision board. That's in my goals. That I've been talking about for years. And it's not always glamorous. Sometimes it looks like saying no when you rather say yes. Sometimes it's getting up when you rather stay in bed. Sometimes it's holding yourself to a higher standard, not because you're not enough, but because you finally know that you are. So if you're in a season like this too, where you're being a little harder on yourself, don't confuse that with self-criticism. This is called self-respect. This is alignment. This is growth. This is evolution. This is a becoming. This is a blooming of a flower. You're not punishing yourself, you're preparing yourself. So keep showing up, keep holding yourself accountable. You're not behind, you're becoming. And this version of you deserves all the effort. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts. And of course, always sending you so much love, happiness, peace, joy, abundance, prosperity, wealth, health, all the good, great, amazing things.